Hey there. So you know that feeling when you're staring at a screen, trying to decipher a mind-boggling AI response, and you wish you had an AI buddy to break it down for you? Well, today we're diving into something that's about to revolutionize your tech journey. Welcome back to Who is ML? Ever heard of Claude? It's the AI that's here to rescue us from the confusing maze of tech talk. Get ready to witness how Claude conquers problems and find out if it's truly the game changer we've all been waiting for. Trust me, and this video will unravel the mysteries of AI in a way that even your college professor would envy. So stick around because you're in for a treat. Okay, let me take you on a journey through the world of AI and my rendezvous with Claude. Imagine me, just your average college student venturing into the AI landscape, seeking a chat companion that could make my digital life a tad easier. I was a ChatGPT user. It served its purpose, but it wasn't all rainbows and unicorns. Then along came Claude, and let me tell you, it was like upgrading from a flip phone to a sleek smartphone. I decided to give Claude a whirl, and guess what? It didn't take long for me to utter those magical words. See you later, ChatGPT. And don't worry, I've got the receipts right here to show you. Hold on to your keyboards because I'm not one to jump into hasty decisions. Who wants to fall into the tech trap, right? Claude made me do a double take quicker than you can say tech revolution. Sure, I might have overreacted a few times in the past, but this time my friend's Claude left me speechless. Now picture this. Claude's interface is like a piece of modern art, sleek, minimalistic, and oh so inviting. And here's the kicker. It comes with an attachment icon that practically screams, "Upload your PDFs here." I mean, could it get any better? If you've ever struggled with dense PDFs, Claude's got your back. It's like they peeked into our tech struggles and decided to play superhero. Remember those days when you wished AI could make complex stuff simpler? Well, Claude is here to grant that wish. It takes intricate info and transforms it into bite-sized knowledge nuggets. It's like having a genius friend who excels at explaining rocket science in plain English. I mean, why didn't someone think of this sooner? Kudos, Claude! Before we dive deeper, if you're as fascinated by the potential of AI as I am, show some love, hit that thumbs up button, and give the subscribe button a tap. Comment below what you think of Claude. Now let's talk about user experience, my friends. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a screen filled with buttons and options? Yeah, me too. Claude gets us. The cleaner the interface, the happier we are. Think about it. Remember how Google won hearts by keeping things simple? Well, Claude's following the same rulebook. Cast your memory back to the days of ChatGPT's debut. We were all aboard the AI hype train, but let's be honest, the interface looked like a tangled mess of wires. Now enter Claude, and they learned their lesson well. They've embraced the less is more philosophy, creating an interface that even your grandma could navigate with ease. Talk about progress, right? Let's discuss one of my favorite Claude features, the act as a model trick. It's like peering into the mind of the AI genius. Claude breaks down its logic step by step, just like a magician revealing their secrets. And the way it plays with tenses? Seriously, it's like AI with a dash of storytelling finesse. Who knew AI could have style? Let's move on to something practical. Starting a new conversation with Claude. It's a breeze. Just click on the logo and you're ready to chat away. Now, if you're a bookworm like me, you'll appreciate Claude's knack for summarizing. Feed it any title, and bam! You get a condensed version that's like a cheat sheet for the brain. Neat, huh? The eternal quest for affordable stays, London for less than £100, Claude's got your back. It dishes out options with the precision of a seasoned travel agent. But wait, there's more. It even adds distances from landmarks and hold on to your burgers, a nearby McDonald's. Perfect for the digital nomad craving Wi-Fi and fries. Curious about playing time traveler? Claude's got your date update covered. Just ask and you'll know if you've slipped into a time warp. And speaking of time, remember those global news events? Well, Claude's not the go-to for yesterday's scoop. It's like the AI version of a history buff, great with concepts, not so much with the headlines. Time for a bit of wisdom. Claude slips into the shoes of Socrates, dishing out advice for thriving in the AI era. It's like having a digital sage at your beck and call. Think self-reflection, challenging assumptions, it's AI philosophy at its finest. Who knew Claude was not just an AI, but a philosopher in the making? But hang on, we're not wrapping up just yet. Remember those headache-inducing contracts? Claude's your knight in digital armor. Drop in a contract and watch as it translates legal jargon into everyday language. It's like having a lawyer friend on call, breaking down the pros and cons like a master debater. Legalese, meet Claude. So let's sum it up. Claude's got the goods. It's sleeker, smarter, and armed with PDF superpowers. But hold your horses, my friends, because we're not done. In our next video, it's the ultimate showdown. Claude goes head-to-head with the OG, ChatGPT. Who's going to reign supreme? Stick around to find out. Before you click away, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if Claude blew your mind. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button because we're on a mission to crack the code of AI one algorithm at a time. Spread the knowledge. Share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and let's unravel the mysteries of AI together on Who is ML? Elevate your tech game. See ya!